Welcome to my channel Master Yourself. Today we are going to discuss the difference between manual and automation testing. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please take a moment and subscribe it now. Software testing is a huge domain, but it can be broadly categorized into two areas. First is manual testing and second is automation testing. Both manual and automation testing offer benefits and disadvantages. It's worth knowing the difference and when to use one or the other for best results. Manual testing. Manual testing is the process of testing the software manually to find the defects. Testers should have the perspective of an end user and to ensure all the features are working as mentioned in the requirement document. In this process, testers execute the test cases and generate the reports manually without using any automation tools. Automation testing. Automation testing is a process of changing any manual test case into the test scripts by using automation testing tools, and scripting or programming language is called automation. Automation testing is used to increase the efficiency, effectiveness, and coverage of software testing. Automation test engineer uses automation testing tools to automate the manual design test cases without any human interference. Let's discuss the difference between manual testing and automation testing. Let's discuss the difference between manual testing and automation testing based on some parameters. Definition. Manual testing is the process in which QA analysts execute tests one by one in an individual manner. The purpose of manual testing is to catch bugs and feature issues before a software application goes live. Automation testing is the process in which testers utilize tools and scripts to automate testing efforts. Processing time. Manual testing is time consuming due to the usage of the human resources. Automation testing is significantly faster than a manual approach. Reliability. Manual testing is not reliable because there is a possibility of human error which may not be delivered the bug-free application. Automation testing is reliable because it tests the application with the help of tools and test scripts. Cost effective. Manual testing is not cost effective for high volume regression. Automation testing is not cost effective for low value regression. Initial investment. The initial investment in the manual testing is comparatively lower. ROI is lower compared to automation testing in the long run. The initial investment in the automated testing is higher, though the ROI is better in the long run. Investment. Human resources need investment in manual testing. Investment is required for testing tools as well as automation engineers in automation testing. Human observation. The manual testing method allows human observation, which may be useful to offer user-friendly system. Automated testing does not involve human consideration, so that it can never give assurance of user-friendliness and positive customer experience. Engagement. Repetitive manual test execution can get boring and error-prone in manual testing. Automation testing is done by tools. It's accurate and never gets bored. Documentation. Manual test cases provide no training value. Automated tests acts as a document provides training value, especially for automated unit test cases. A new developer can look into a unit test cases and understand the code base quickly. Test report visibility. Manual tests are usually recorded in an Excel or Word, and test results are not readily available. With automation testing, all stakeholders can log in into the automation system and check test execution results. Parallel execution. Manual tests can be executed in parallel but would need to increase your human resource, which is expensive. In automation testing, testing can be executed on different operating platforms in parallel and reduce test execution time. Programming knowledge. No need for programming in manual testing. Programming knowledge is a must in automation testing. Test design. Manual unit tests do not drive design into the coding process. Automated unit tests enforce or drive test-driven development design. Exploratory testing. Exploratory testing is possible in manual testing. Automation does not allow random testing. Performance testing. Performance testing is not feasible manually. Performance tests like load testing, stress testing, spike testing, etc. have to be tested by an automation tool compulsorily. I have already made a video on performance testing and the tools of performance testing. Please go and check those videos as well. Batch testing. Manual tests cannot be batched. You can batch multiple test scripts for nightly execution in automation testing. Build verification testing. Executing the build verification testing, that is BVT, is very difficult and time consuming in manual testing. Automation testing is useful for build verification testing. UI change. Small changes like change in ID, class, etc. of a button would not prevent execution of a manual tester. In automation testing, for even a trivial change in the UI of the AUT, that is automated test scripts, need to be modified to work as expected. Setup. Manual testing needs to have a more straightforward test execution setup. Automation test requires less complex test execution setup. Ideal approach. Manual testing proves useful when the test case only needs to run once or twice. Automation testing is useful for build verification testing. Deadlines. Manual testing has a higher risk of missing out the pre-decided test deadline. Automated tests have zero risks of missing out a pre-decided test. Framework. Manual testing does not use frameworks but may use guidelines, checklists, stringent processes to draft certain test cases. Automation testing uses frameworks like DataDrive, Keyword, Hybrid to accelerate the automation process. DevOps. Manual testing defeats the automated build principle of DevOps. Automated tests help in build verification testing and are an integral part of DevOps cycle. Types of tasks. Manual testing is entirely manual tasks, whereas in automation testing, most tasks can be automated, including real user simulations. Test coverage. It is difficult to ensure sufficient test coverage in manual testing, whereas in automation testing, it is easy to ensure greater test coverage. Operating system compatibility. Operating system compatibility is not possible in manual testing because the different tester is required to perform such tasks. Automation testing can also be performed on different systems with different operating system, platforms and various programming languages. Regression testing. When the test engineer executes the test case for the first time, it may be useful, but there is a possibility that it will not catch the regression bugs because of changing requirements frequently in manual testing. Whereas in automation testing, whenever the code changes happen due to the enhancement of the release, then automation test engineer performs the regression testing. Reused. It could be possible when the test case only needs to run once or twice in manual testing. In automation testing, the script can be reused across multiple releases. Test coverage. In manual testing, it is difficult to ensure sufficient test coverage. In automation testing, it is easy to ensure greater test coverage. When to use. Manual testing is suitable for exploratory, usability, and ad hoc testing. It should also be used where the AUT changes frequently. Automation testing is suited for regression testing, performance testing, load testing, or highly repeatable functional test cases. I hope you have understood the difference between manual testing and automation testing, and also learn the advantages and disadvantages of both types of testing. If you have find any other points which I have overlooked, then just put them in the comments. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.